Okay guys, today may paparating na package. It is a computer monitor, but it's not. We don't have a CPU for it, so we're just gonna connect it through the Xbox because I'm gonna create a gaming channel soon. Here you go. Come on, Henry. Put a close up. Ooh, gotta remove that foam. I like unboxing stuff. Dude!
I think it was something.
I was not expecting to be this Lord. Oh, okay, let me just get that one first. Oh, no. Actually, you don't have to worry about the adapter now for the power. Here we go. Big reveal. There's nothing else here. Yeah. So just box is empty, guys. Box is empty. Let's go. Put everything there.
Stay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Damn. This curve. Curve. 31.5 inch monitor. Just an announcement, guys. In case you don't know, I'm setting up a gaming channel soon. That's why I bought this, and I'm gonna show you the Elgato as well, the game capture card. And you know, I have it set up now. The only missing piece is the monitor, because it doesn't work with my current TV. I think it's because it's quite old. It was a plasma TV from a supermarket, so I bought this. That's sorted. This is mine and Henry's money. We bought it together, half and half. So yeah, we're gonna use it. Let's see the feature. There's the back there, and I think the ports are at the bottom, which is, yeah, they're like right over here.
Count how many HDMI ports there are. What other ports?
I think there's only one. There's only one HDMI port, but you know, we only need one anyway, so yeah, very good. Okay guys, we're in my room right now. Just to show you, this is the Xbox that we always use for gaming, and this is the TV that doesn't work with the Elgato. Oh yeah, we do have a keyboard connected to it, so it acts like a PC as well. We have a controller here, some remotes, and this is the new monitor. I'm planning to give this to Henry, this one, and replace it with, you know, with this. Put it there. So yeah. So yeah, I have the Elgato here, guys. For the people who don't know what they're for, they're just for capturing the screen. Well, you know, whatever you're doing the screen, it'll capture it. So that's the purpose for this, you know. And the way it works is that I connect it to from the Xbox, the HDMI from the Xbox towards this capture card, towards there, inside there, and it goes out towards the monitor or the TV. And this one here, I think it's a type C USB port. It goes straight to the computer or to the laptop. And this one's for recording your voice as well, so like a microphone. Yeah, so I'm gonna set it to time lapse, guys, you know, while I'm setting everything up, and I'll show you the finishing product soon. So yeah, see you then. Okay guys, yan na. Oh. Yan. Nakakonect na siya sa laptop. Yung Xbox dito papunta dyan dito, So that's from the Xbox, this one. This one goes to the laptop. There. And this one goes to the monitor itself. This one. So at the moment, we're just waiting for it to, we're just waiting for everything to connect.
Poly.
So yeah, we turned it on, guys. Right? Because the thing with this TV, this only shows, ito lang yung makikita nyo kapag ginamit namin tong TV na to. But with this monitor, makikita, they're like syncing each other, so pareho yung makikita nyo dito. So we could record the games that we play and everything, whatever we do in the screen as well. So yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, I forgot, it's an Asus brand monitor, and I think it runs in 144 hertz. Tingnan natin.
Yeah.
Yan, 144 hertz, 1080p. So yeah, hopefully yan, nakuha nyo yung mga technical stuff. Tell you I've moved everything around because the old TV is not here anymore, the plasma TV. The Xbox is gone because it's there now, like down here. Xbox. I have the keyboard here as well. It's like a proper PC setup, but it is not PC. So laptop's here, and it's quite too many wires here, as you can see. So I apologize for the mess, but I'm trying to figure out how to make it look tidy. Yeah. Just to tell you, the reason why I moved it, because I tried recording a gameplay video the other day, and I could hear the controller joysticks, so it was so disturbing and uncomfortable to hear. So I wanted to get rid of it, and that's why I moved it around. So whenever I play, I put the controller down here, down there, and then oh yeah, I forgot I have a new mic. So yeah, so that the mic cut here, the controller, while I'm doing my video, and then I'm also gonna use a software here which reduces the background sounds, which also reduces the controller sounds. So that's the intention there, why I moved it around. And so since I have this setup now, guys, I'm just gonna take advantage of it and do all of my work here, both my gaming and my vlogging channel. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you the unboxing and my setup now. It's just a bit of a tour. It's a small setup, but it'll suffice. End the video there now. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please give the video a like, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel to get more. And yeah, that's it. See you later. Bye.